Hello everyone, this is Joe. This video will demonstrate how to hide the Wi-Fi spy camera in a clock. This is the clock we are going to use. There's empty space at the rear of the clock. We just need to cut the hole and hide the camera inside. Now let's get started. We use the paper cutter and the ruler as the guide. Now we start cutting the hole. The hole is ready. Let's see how the camera fit in. Alright, the camera just fit in perfectly. In the next step, we will make a small hole in front so the camera can see through. Alright, now let's take apart the clock. We push the front. This is the spot we are going to make the small hole. Now we mark the spot. And we use the knife to make a very tiny spot. Then we use the pencil. Start from the rear of the clock. Drilling a bigger hole to fit into the pinhole length. Okay, now let's see how the camera looks. Okay, it's ready. Now let's put back the clock. Also, we need this 3M tape to make the installation clean. Alright, the setup is complete. Now in the next step, we will power the camera and see how the performance looks. Now let's power up the camera. We also need to install a battery so the clock will be working. Now the clock is moving. We log in the camera with the app on the iPad. This is the app we install. Now click the logo login. Click the camera. Now it's live now. We switch to the full screen. Okay, that's all. Be sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any question, you can post in the comment section below. If you have further questions, you can find us on some social media. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.